Hello and welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. Truly, Lauralee. I'm so glad you decided to join me today as I share a terrific Banza curry shrimp that I came up with during the summer. I originally tried to do this as I was trying to make a new dish with shrimp and curry to have my children explore new flavors. Guess what? They loved it. I ended up making this for my trainer as she has truly been a blessing to me, sent from heaven. I met her one day at my local park as I was doing my 3-mile walk, and ever since then we have connected, and we've connected as if we've known each other from a previous life. I love Keke as a sister from another mother and father. Not only does she train me hard, but in a tough time in my life, she lifted me up with encouraging words. Let's just say, God puts the right people in your life at the right time. Therefore, I wanted to thank her the best way I knew how. My love language, of course. I wanted to cook for her. I made this meal and she absolutely loved it. We ended up having a picnic at the park after we worked out one day with my kids. And let me tell you, my kids quickly fell in love with Keke as she was an auntie. My kids loved her so much that I made it again for her and her family because we just wanted to show Keke our appreciation. I wanted her and her family to know how much of a positive impact Keke is making in my life and my family's life. She is talented, funny, beautiful, real, and strong. I'm so honored to have called this dish the Keke Special. This dish was so simple to make, but does not lack any flavor whatsoever. If you make this dish on a regular basis, you will be able to make this dish within 10 to 15 minutes, both pasta and shrimp. It does not take that long to cook. As long as you can chop or blend these ingredients pretty fast, then you'll have these in no time. I came up with this recipe based on the flavors that I wanted to taste. Now, feel free to add any veggies you desire, like broccoli, onions, peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, my favorite, peas, kale, spinach, carrots, or snap peas, and even asparagus. I didn't add any additional veggies because originally I did not want to have too many veggies for my kids not to try it. They sometimes love their veggies and other times they don't. So make sure that you make this your own. And even if you decide to make it exactly the way I made it, it's still a very good alternative. With the Banza pasta, there's 20 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber. I know I notice a difference when I use regular pasta versus this one, and although this is a little pricier, I do tend to buy this one because it is easier on my stomach. I don't have cramps or pain after I eat this pasta. This pasta is made from chickpeas, which makes this high protein, high fiber, lower in carbs, gluten-free and grain-free. I presented this to Keke as I presented to my kids so that she can make this for her family and add her favorite ingredients and vegetables. Also, another note that I wanted to let you all know is that originally when I cooked this recipe, I used regular sea salt and it was divine. When I made it with the smoked sea salt, it was very delicious. However, the next day we noticed that the taste was a little bit stronger. So just definitely be aware of that. You know, with any pasta, the more it sits there, it marinates, it takes in all the flavor. So again, if you don't like the spiciness, just cut out the spiciness, but definitely add the curry because it is what makes this dish. And I introduce to you Keke. She is absolutely wonderful and amazing, and she services the Tampa and surrounding areas. So ladies, if you're into fitness, check out Keke's Instagram page as she shares fitness posts to motivate you to get healthier. She also inspires you to look great while working out with her savvy gear. Join her team or purchase these beautiful outfits that will make you look and feel great while working up a sweat. So check her out and say hello. And as we talked about delicious, healthy food and working out and training, I also want to introduce to you all Erica. Erica and I used to work as case manager when I lived in Massachusetts. She now is the business owner of Top Flight Nutrition. She has an amazing personality and is such a hard worker. And she services the Holyoke and Indian Orchard areas in Western Mass, but everyone is welcome near or far. She has great meal replacement shakes that are under 300 calories with 21 vitamins, 24 grams of protein, and only 9 grams of sugar, all natural caffeine and boosters. She also offers fitness classes. This November marks her 3-year anniversary, so be sure to check her out if you're in the area. Let her know I sent you. And if you're not in the local area, just make sure to go check out her Facebook page, like, and share. Please also check out my cousin Laura. My cousin is the business owner of 8020 Fit Nutrition, which is located in Hartford, Connecticut, actually where I was born. And she could be found at 1793 Park Street. I am so proud of her. She is killing it and her business continues to grow. She has been in business for 6 years and she is such a go-getter. She offers smoothies, energy drinks, weight loss challenges, free workout, free Zumba, and healthy snacks. Her place is always packed and I love watching her on Facebook with her weight loss challenges. She's very inspirational and is just awesome. Let her know I sent you and make sure that if you're not in the local surrounding areas in Hartford, then go ahead and like her page and share. And never judge a book by its cover. You may not know the person and you may not know how strong they are. It does not matter how the person physically looks or seem. Everyone has their own strength. So make sure that when you interact with people, you let your strength and your great personality and your kindness shine. You are your best version of you.
Seconds, keep going. 10 seconds, keep going. 5 seconds, keep going. 2, 1. Keep going if you can till you burn out. You're over that minute. You're at 115 now. Keep going till you got no more. You're at 125. You're at 133. I want it all. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. That's my girl. Keep going 15 more seconds and you at 2 minutes. So you 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 minutes.